Hi guys, I'm Nayantara Rai reporting for ET Now. I've got an exclusive story for all of you today. It has to do with the Indian giant T-Series sending a legal notice accusing the social networking app Triller of copyright infringement. What is Triller? Just a quick background on that first. Triller, like I told you, is a social networking company. It's actually headquartered out of California. It's also backed by the world famous Eminem, the rap artist. It was recently in the news also for submitting a bid worth $20 billion for TikTok. That's right, $20 billion, which Triller said was the best offer for TikTok on the table. Back home in India, what Triller did, when TikTok was banned, it moved fast, it moved quickly, it preempted its plans, and it was reported that in the month of August, Triller had actually registered monthly downloads of about 40 million. It also moved fast to try and get popular TikTokers on board, the likes of Bhuvan Bam as well as Arman Malik. But like I told you, now seems to be in a legal tussle with T-Series. T-Series has sent the legal notice, like I told you, for copyright infringement, a legal notice that ET Now has also accessed. In a nutshell, what T-Series is accusing Triller of is copying, storing, downloading, streaming its copyrighted music, lyrics, posters, compositions without his permission, without seeking any license. Now, T-Series, as you should have expected, has a massive library. How big is it? Well, in the legal notice, T-Series says that its repertoire includes 40,000 videos, 1.5 lakh songs, 20,000 hours of songs in various languages, Hindi, Bhojpuri, Punjabi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, etc., etc. So it has a problem with its library, according to T-Series, finding its way with Triller, where those that use the social networking site can use parts of these songs, which are exclusively with T-Series, can use the lyrics, can use the copyrighted content. So what T-Series has also done in this cease and desist order is instructed Triller to remove the copyrighted content ASAP. So that's the cease and desist it is seeking. T-Series then goes on to say otherwise is prepared to do whatever it takes, including initiating criminal as well as civil proceedings. And this legal notice says it has done that with others in the past. I also reached out to T-Series. In a nutshell, the big message is music is not free, creativity is not free, and Triller should not be looking to become popular in India on the back of exclusive content of T-Series, of infringing on copyright content. So let's see how this one actually pans out. Interesting days ahead. For now, that's of course the big story. Indian giant T-Series sending a legal notice to Triller.